Hey everyone, I'm Sarah and this is Courageous Color. And today we're going to be talking about how to mix pastel colors. So let's jump right into the color mixing.
Pastel colors are super easy to make. No matter what pastel color you're trying to make, you just mix a very small portion of your color with a large portion of white. That will make a pastel color.
Thanks so much for watching episode 9 of the Basics of Color Mixing. We have one more episode to finish out the series. Next week in episode 10, we'll be talking about mixing shadow colors. So stay tuned for that, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.